TikTok login problem with Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the TikTok application on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated and latest version of the TikTok application on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on the TikTok application, make a long press, then tap on app info. After that, you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Here you can clear cache as well as delete all data if it's possible and if it's convenient for you. Tap on OK. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you toggle on all these required options for allowed so that you have no hindrances while using the application. After that, make sure that you have made the correct account on Facebook and you have tried to log in or sync the correct account on Facebook with TikTok, because a lot of times when you switch the wrong accounts, it does not give you that login access and there becomes login problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.